In this video, I'm going to show you the integration with Docusign and JenesisNow. So the first thing you want to do after you have signed up with Docusign is you will come in to JenesisNow and go down to Agency and All Locations. And you will select your location or each location that you would like to add the integration to. And you just want to make sure you have this Docusign integration turned on. And once you have that turned on, you have this little arrow up top where you're able to connect to Docusign. So I am going to show you how it works. So I'm going to go to this customer here, and I'm going to click on the Docusign icon up top, and I'm going to select my document that I want to send. And you'll put in a description. And then down here, you can search for your customer, or you can add a name and email that you are sending it to. So I'm going to put my information in here. And then you'll click on send. It'll send the recipient and yourself a copy of this. And once they receive it, it will look like this on their end. You'll click on agree and continue, and then your customer will choose what information they want to put in here, a signature, put this, and then it gives you the option to sign, and then you can complete it, and it'll send you a copy of the completed document. And that is how the DocuSign integration works. If you have any questions, let us know.